Oh shit. What a good day to not be at work getting wet. Woo. Nope.
Let your homie know to bring the E85 jugs like cornfield.
Wait, you have E85?
Yeah, I got two 5.5 gallon jugs of
I want to bring them.
Nigga, you didn't tell me!
This nigga's too broke to go get fucking E85.
Doesn't even have jugs, bro!
Big
Oh,
fucks
hell
up.
no, that E85 ain't free, bro. I was planning to keep that shit.
See? Oh, damn, bro. All that money's got. Just hand it over.
Hey,
It's probably
here, just take a bill.
it's probably just low
Take a bill.
octane.
Ah, this guy was about to take it all happy.
I wasn't gonna take it, I was gonna give it back. I think I'm gonna throw this at you.
I want to run it first.
Look at this guy, James, looking at my car like he knows what he's looking at. You know what this is, bro?
That's an intake manifold.
No, that's an HR, dog.
I don't know nothing about these, I just know shit about cars, bro. Yeah.
Hey, I gotta put the ISO down when James is here because he's a little he's a little too bright.
David, I could point to someone here and ask you this. I don't even know if you would know.
Tell me. All right, ask me what something is.
What is that?
That right there? It's my intercooler, dog. That's my oil cooler.
That's not even your oil cooler. What
I
is
know
that?
it's right here.
What is that?
This is my reservoir
For what?
for my coolant. Dummy.
It has 2 words. What is it? You don't know. I'll teach you. It's your overflow and your expansion tank. You're welcome.
Oh, smart guy over here.
Only sometimes. Only when my glasses are on my face.
Alright, so you're gonna run 24 volts just so it starts, you know?
Yeah, you're gonna need.
You're gonna start it? It's finna blow up.
Well, better here than on the dyno.
Peekaboo.
Hello, motherfucker.
It's all the way down and it's running 60.
Robin?
My fucking slipped. I went like this. Oh, dude.
Oh, Mike, you're good.
Oh,
You're good.
go. Where did it go?
It's gonna blow my car up.
It's gone forever, bro.
Oh, it smells. You smell that E85, James?
No, that 91 stinks. That's what it is. Oh! Brake clear in my eye.
Damn, this shit's hot already. Ow! That shit's so hot.
We're at the lowest point on the car right now.
I know,
It
he's
looks like.
gotta.
David, you can't be bagged no more. You're gonna crush this.
He's gotta go coilovers.
Well, I don't have to go coils. I just don't have to air out. I'm gonna
The
air.
whole point of bags is to.
His whole ride.
Not really.
His ride height being all low too.
No, I got bags so I can go to my house because I have speed bumps. I couldn't get home.
You could put your GoPro right here on the ground, and then you can
See how low?
see how low it gets.
Well, as long as it's this is what hits first. Is this fucking
Nah, nigga,
thing?
if you look, bro,
this is
That's lower. That's lower.
Same
That's for
right
sure
here,
gonna
That's
hit.
the lowest.
No,
you
yeah.
are.
That's lower. I just can't air out all the way, but I probably won't even air out.
Bags, nigga.
No, it's for me to air up so I clear shit so I don't take my bumper off. I don't really care
I was
about
wondering
airing
if that
out.
was condensation at first from the system, but like it's not. not in the
Which is
85.
cool. That means it's.
Is this hot? I like touching everything that's hot.
That means it's running coolant. That means it's pumping coolant through the turbo. You know?
I would hope so. You don't have oil in it. I would hope it's got fucking.
Oh, I forgot to grease up the turbo.
Did you? Oh shit.
James just
Oh man.
I forgot to oil the turbo.
I don't give a shit.
It's
It's not my turbo.
Oh, well, I'm gonna tell everybody right now.
Oh, look at that.
I'm telling everybody.
You don't have AFR.
What? You forgot to put your bung in?
Yeah, well,
Your
the
bung?
AFR one.
Oh, no, that's for your gauge?
Dude, this
Oh,
fitment's
that's right.
perfect.
We're too sensitive over there.
You can smell that new piping burning in. It's gonna
Yeah.
stink.
You can smell
Yeah,
that
new exhaust.
85 piping.
It's gonna stink.
Guys, this is getting 91 tuned, okay?
Oh my god, no, it's not.
David's lying.
You better
There
pay
is
me
no
for those jugs,
85 in
nigga.
this bitch at all.
I don't think we're gonna put those jugs in right now, are we?
If your dyno's tomorrow, bro.
No, yeah. Well, yeah, I'm gonna get some.
You're getting
What color is it? Yellow?
white.
I saw it fall out. Oh, we're never gonna find that.
I slipped on the oil from the fucking oil cooler and then I fell forward, almost hit my face on a block, and then I went to imitate and I dumped the gum, dude. These measly little toothpicks, you don't need this.
Yes, I do. That's what makes it clear. Without those, I can't clear
You
the
should at least
Brembos.
22s?
15s.
Don't feel bad if I go buy them. Yeah, ain't that a knuckle buster? What are those, 8?
Hey, don't be touching my car with your greasy. I'm gonna kill you. What is it?
And
You
the brakes
fucking,
didn't
who
tape.
assembled this shit, man?
The guy who powder coated them?
The rings, the O-rings or whatever.
No, dude, it's leaking out of the caliper.
How?
It's not holding fluid. You know, who needs one brake, bro? You only need 3.
Where's it leaking from?
It's leaking from down here. So this is splits in half right here. Look, it's leaking from.
Oh, from the half split.
Yeah, they didn't put it together right.
Jesus, good job, Bulletproof.
Take it all apart.
Dude, I had to take it to that dude 3 times to re-powder coat my calipers because he did it wrong. And then he unfollowed me on Instagram and wouldn't reply to any of my messages for like a month.
All your calipers are leaking
You know why?
because they didn't put them together right and seal the insides right.
Yeah, because Bulletproof doesn't do a good job. Slacked it.
1-star Yelp review. No, half a star Yelp review. This yo ratchet nails.
That's from the previous owner. I'm gonna switch that to carbon. I just haven't bought them. Huh?
Gradually, slowly release it.
Slowly releasing.
It's not pumping back. You got fluid on you? She's a squirter.
Oh, you guys are sick. You guys are sickos. So I just came real quick to K Powered. I had to get this vacuum block. They were nice enough to make this for us tonight because we got to get it tuned tomorrow morning. So shout out to K Powered. Thank you. Got this done on time. It looks sick too. Welds look nice. Hell yeah. All right, now we got to head back to the shop and finish the Z. George was nice enough to let me borrow his boosted 340i. This thing's so sick. We'll get some sound clips of it. So this 340i isn't running good yet. Well, it's not tuned yet, but it still sounds so sick. I stopped recording a little earlier too, just because we ran into some issues. As always, car stuff, it happens. So we had to figure that out, and I was a little frustrated at the time. But hopefully, when I get back to the shop, everything's good. It was just something to do with the clutch. Couldn't bleed it. The pedal was soft, so hopefully when I get back, David has that figured out. I think it might be something minor. Probably just need to adjust the clutch pedal from what a friend was telling us. So we'll see right now when we get back to the shop. And we couldn't get the car tuned today. It was supposed to be tuned this morning at 9 a.m. But last night there was a small leak in my fuel line. We got my fuel lines cut. We got them shortened, so it just looks cleaner. There was a leak in the fuel line, so we got that fixed today. We had to cancel the tune, and then had to get this vacuum block too. We couldn't find one yesterday. K Powered was nice enough to make one for us right on time. That's like the last 2 things we had to fix before we went. Right now we're having an issue with my calipers where I took them to get powder coated and they're leaking. So since we didn't get to tune it today, I called Specialty Z. I let them know what was wrong, and they were nice enough to let me get it tuned tomorrow. Usually you have to reschedule and they're gonna let me bring it in tomorrow on the trailer. We're gonna tow it there and get it tuned at 9 a.m. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. David has been putting in mad hours working on the Z, trying to get it done as soon as possible so we can put it on the dyno and just get that thing running. So I appreciate you, David, for doing that for me. He's been doing everything really clean, all the work, making sure everything looks nice, going out of his way, getting the lines cut for the fuel system. Didn't even have to do that, but you know, he's just trying to make it look as nice as possible because he knows people are going to see it. He wants everyone to see his work and how good it came out. So I appreciate you, and thank you, George, too, at Premier Youth Auto Care. Let's hear some turbo noises now. HKS blow-off valve sounds so sick. One thing about boosted cars that I've noticed is rev matching. It's a little different. Like the RPMs don't shoot up as fast, so you gotta hold the gas a little bit longer. Ooh, hear them pops? Yeah, you gotta hold the gas longer. On the Z, you could just tap it and it shoots the RPMs high so fast. Passing by people and just letting the blow-off valve just do its thing and hearing those pops. So I bet it just annoys people and I love it. How'd you fix it though? What was it?
That your bitch ass doesn't know how to pump.
What you mean? I was pumping this shit for like 30 minutes. Yeah, bro, my leg is cramped.
Nigga, I pumped it by hand and got it like within 5 minutes.
Oh, I'm so happy you got that fixed. I was scared. Because when you said slave cylinder, that does happen. Yeah, like the pedal just drops.
Yeah, I was scared as fuck.
We're good for...
Hey, check the other side, Rob. Make sure I'm not hitting my wheel. This way. Hey, turn that way. Alright.
Turn.
Yeah, turn. Because you on the very edge. Alright.